Hi, this is Zach from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Mazda 3 stock number 6650. This ran from the 4th 2009 to the 10th 2013. It has a now 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine picked by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid had some paint fade on the top. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, front Curtis light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,